Hi there! I'm very excited to make this butterfly today. Can we see what do we have in our book? Whoa! We see a wonderful butterfly which is very colorful. Let's try and make this. Draw two curved lines on the left and the right side. Yes, this is the first step and we will go step by step to finish this beautiful butterfly. After that, let's draw two more curved lines from the top and touch it till the center. Let's make this one more time and make a circle in the center. Now it looks like that we are making the body of the butterfly and then its wings, for which we are going to make number 3. Let's join it to the body now and then make the smaller wing. Draw a mirrored image of the drawing which we have previously made. This looks wonderful. Complete making this wing nicely. And let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Draw a sideways heart-shaped figure on the right side and 2 circles. And repeat the same step on the other side as well. It can get difficult to make a mirrored image, but not to worry, you can try making it as close as possible. Start by sketching the entire drawing with the black sketch pen. If you feel that you will get confused, then please feel free to erase all the parts which are not required and then sketch this so that you do not sketch the unwanted parts. Let's make this slowly and nicely, and once done, erase all the pencil marks. Well, this looks like a symmetrical drawing wherein the left side of the butterfly just looks exactly like the right side of the butterfly. Hence, we will also color it in a similar way. Let's take a blue color and do the top part. After that, we will start finishing all the parts which are blue in color. Continue coloring this slowly and nicely, and always remember to do the outline first. We will color inside only in one direction. Sketch the lines inside the butterfly slowly. Yes, that's what we missed out, isn't it? No problem, you can make it and then color it slowly and nicely. Let's start coloring the wing with the light green color now. Of course, we will do the outline first and then color inside in one direction. Make sure that you do not leave any white spaces. Continue coloring this part now. And now, let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Look at that! Our butterfly looks so attractive. Continue coloring the light green over here. And finally, let's use dark blue or Persian blue for all the parts which are remaining. Well, this is a very dark color, hence we need to be very careful while doing this. If we make a mistake, it is going to be very difficult for us to cover up. And look, a beautiful, attractive butterfly is ready to fly.